Today we're going to be looking at a two-step word problem. Let's read it together.
Chad counted 253 palm trees and 105 hazel trees. 75 trees were chopped down. How many trees are still remaining?
So when working on a word problem, there's some things that we need to be thinking inside our head. First thing we should be thinking is, what is it that we need to find out? Okay? What is the question asking me? What strategy am I going to use to map out how I'm going to solve the problem? And are you able to solve this problem in another way? And then lastly, if you're a master at word problems, can you explain it to a friend and solving it out from start to finish? When looking at a word problem, what's the first thing that I should do to solve it? Yes.
Circle the numbers that you're working with.
Circle the important numbers that I'm working with. That's 253, that's 105, and 75. What is the next thing that I should look at when I'm solving a word problem? Yes.
Box the clue words.
I want to box in the clue words. And is a clue word, and it actually tells me my very first operation. What is it?
Your first operation would be addition.
Addition. Very good. And tells me to add these two numbers together. What is the last thing I should look at when solving a word problem? Yes.
You have to underline the whole entire question.
Underline the entire question. My question is, how many trees are still remaining? What do I know about this word remaining? What operation does it tell me to use? Yes.
It means how many are left.
So what operation is that?
That means that it's subtraction.
It is subtraction. So because it's a two-step problem, I'm going to add and subtract. All right? So first we need to add 253 plus 105. So I'm going to do that first. 253 plus 105. What is 3 plus 5, class?
8.
What is 5 plus 0, class?
5.
What is 2 plus 1, class?
3.
Am I done here?
No.
No, I have another step to go. Now I'm going to take my sum from 253 and 105, and I'm going to put it as the first number in step 2. Now what do I do? Yes.
You're going to subtract 75.
I'm going to subtract 75 from 358. Let's go ahead. What side do I always start on?
The one side.
The right side, which is the one side. Very good. What is 8 minus 5?
3.
5 minus 7?
We can't subtract that.
We can't do that. If you said 2, you forgot that 5 is less than 7, and we have to borrow from where?
The hundreds.
Got to borrow from the hundreds place, so we're going to give 100 over to the 5. That's going to make 15 tens. So now we have 15 minus 7, which is what?
8.
So now that we have 15 minus 7, which is 8, we need to take away 2 from 0. Remember I told you, even if there's nothing there, 0 is always a placeholder. So we're really saying 2 minus 0, which is what?
2.
So our answer, or the difference, is 283 in this two-step word problem. Okay? Now I'm going to solve the same problem, but this time using the base 10 model. So I have 253, 1, 2, 3, plus 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 105. Now I'm going to add these together. 100, 200, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that's 350, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. So that's going to equal to 358. Again, am I done at this step right here?
No.
No, I'm not. So what do I need to do now? Yes.
So you're gonna subtract your second number.
I'm going to subtract my 75 from the 358. Now this becomes tricky because guess what? I only have 5 tens, and how many tens do I need to have?
You need to have more than 7 or 7.
I need to have at least 7 to subtract. So since I can't do that, I have to jump to the 100, cross out 1, and make 10 tens. That's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now I can go ahead and take away my 75. So cross out 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's see what I'm left with. 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 200, 80, 1, 2, 3, 283, 3 ones I'm left with. Got it? Good.